Look at me looking all sophisticated. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vision Right. Today we're gonna attempt to do Bantu knots. I did a poll on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, then I don't know what you're doing. I did a poll asking between, I think, perm rods or Bantu knots, and they picked Bantu knots. So I'm gonna attempt to do this because I stretched my hair, heatless stretch. I do have a video on that. I will leave it in the cards. Boop, and also in the description bar for you to check out, because that's the only way that I stretch my hair. So the products I'm going to be using today is the Alekin Natural Shea Yogurt mixed with the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. I never mix them together, so hopefully this works out together. And then for my edges, I'm going to be trying the CBD and 24 karat gold edge grow Touch a Miracle. These names are long. I'm going to be using this edge control today. Let's start off with the back because I don't know what we're doing. So we're gonna do this together. Let's use a little bit of the shea yogurt. Add some buttery goodness and some shine, just a little bit of shine. Don't hurt nobody. Because I don't know about you, but when I stretch my hair or blow dry my hair looks real dry and crackety. Like a little bit of the TGIN. It might revert back slightly, but I just need this, honey. I need it. So there's two ways to do a Bantu knot, and I finally decided that I'm gonna do the 2-strand twist method and then go into a Bantu knot. Now I have my reasons. I have my reasons for everything, and I decided I'm doing it like this because it allows less twisting at the end, like less unraveling. If my hair's already in a twist, then when I take out the Bantu knot, all I have to do is undo those twists and it's already perfect. I don't know. This might not make no sense at the end, but I'm gonna rock with it. I'm gonna put some more of the TGIN. I need these ends to be together. And use my rat tail comb just a little bit. All right, on to the Bantu knot. So I'm gonna twist the root like so. Just gonna twist the hair. Don't do this too tight. I think you're gonna know when your hair is too tight. I'm not gonna tell you nothing. And then start the Bantu. Let's see if you can see that. Just start putting it underneath itself. It's India. Like I said, if your hair listens to your directions, you don't need a bobby pin. However, mine is disrespectful, and like my computer keeps tapping out, mine is disrespectful, so I need a bobby pin to hold it in place. Ooh, this is a cute little Bantu. So what you do is you kind of just stab that, wrong word, you just put the bobby pin into your Bantu knot to kind of keep it in place and pray that it stays all night. This might be a good one. Hopefully I don't regret this decision of doing it as a twist, but I think it's gonna come out good. I have faith. Fun fact, I actually had a car that was named Faith. Yep, I named my cars. If you name your car, comment down below. Tell me what your name of your car is. I think, what's the name of my car right now?
Yeah.
Destiny, yeah. Destiny, Faith, and Hope. Yeah, see? Bae knows. What's the name of your car, Bae?
Batman.
Shut up. The name of his car is Midnight. I want to see what this edge control do. Ooh. Right, so like I said before, this is a premium CBD and 24 karat gold edge grow regrowth strengthen repair, and it says CBD 500 ppm. Never heard of that. All right, let's see what it does, because I kind of want like the front of it to be snatched. So far it's not like a sticky feeling. I don't really care for sticky feeling edge controls just because I don't know, I just don't. Ooh, so far I really like it. Ooh. Can y'all see that? But I like how much you get. You could get this at your beauty supply store. And I like the color. I don't know about the whole CBD 24 karat gold that it grows your hair type thing. I don't know about that. Obviously I just tried it, but it does have some pretty good ingredients in here. So castor oil is the third ingredient, which is actually really good. So I'm twisting, and then I'm gonna start kind of like bringing it up and twisting around itself. So twist, 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 swoop type of thing. Twist, 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 and then go underneath itself, go underneath. And so I'm coming up towards the end. So just make sure, I'm gonna hold that little piece, and then I'm gonna use my bobby pin. Some people's Bantu knots could stay, but mine's just don't. From when I do my hair straight, I know that it doesn't stay. So I just figured, ooh, this looks nice. Ooh, and this is already dried. This edge control. Alright guys, so it's the next morning. Let's see how these Bantu knots are holding up. First of all, y'all, this is not the easiest thing to sleep on. They kind of hurt. My dog wanted front seat action. You want to see what I was doing? Okay. So I just took out the bobby pin, and I guess I'll twist it. Twist it, I think? I don't even know how to take these down. And I put some miche oil on my hands, by the way. I don't know how I'm supposed to take these out. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so as I'm unraveling the front, I'm realizing that I should have probably twisted them a certain way so they could fall a certain way. I don't know, I think because I'm right-handed, twisting it with my right hand was just easier. But now that I'm unraveling it, I'm like, they're gonna fall really weird. Like, look at this one. It's going this way because of how it was done. I want it this way. So yeah, I would say pay attention to how you twist them. And, you know, I knew that too. When I was twisting it, I'm like, I should probably use this hand. I tried it. It didn't feel natural. It felt weird. It didn't feel tight enough. And this is why I decided to do a 2-strand twist with the Bantu knot. So then separating it would be a lot simpler. So, okay. It's cute or whatever. It's cute. So my hair feels super soft, super hydrated. Like, it feels amazing. Those 2 products that I used created a great shine and great moisture. Alright, so this is what the hair is looking like after I separated and fluffed a little bit. Like I said, this style is already in a blown out state, so it's gonna be frizzy quicker, so I don't want to do too much to it. So I put some gold pins over here just to push the hair back a little bit. I like it. What y'all think? Leave a comment below and let me know, was this a fail or a success? I think next time I'll put a little bit of gel on my ends just to tame the frizz, but like I said, with a blown out style, it's gonna come to frizz at some point. So, and it's warm today, so this is probably, Bantu knots is probably something for the cooler months. Just saying. CBD edge control. Alright, so I looked up the CBD in 24, and so it says that it's a premium CBD with fatty acids. Hemp seed oil can improve blood circulation in the scalp, therefore stimulating new hair growth. Has real 24 karat gold, which slows down the collagen depletion, increases skin elasticity, lightens the skin complexion. That's interesting. Stimulates the cells, making the skin firm, improves blood circulation, and prevents premature aging. And it has miracle mineral and pearl vinegar. Protect, strengthen, moisturize, and nourish scalp. So 2 styles in one for this Bantu knot. I think it came out really cute. So comment down below, let me know your thoughts on this Bantu knot. Would you do one? Have you done one? Let me know all that good stuff down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys. it.